Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI videos from text. There are many AI video tools that you can use for this, but personally, I like using VideoGen. VideoGen is an AI video creation tool that allows you to turn text into a complete video in just a few seconds. What I like about VideoGen is that after the video is generated, you can also edit and customize it using a simple drag and drop editor. So you can generate the video with AI and then make your own changes all in one place. If you don't have a VideoGen account yet, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. VideoGen lets you try creating a couple of videos for free so you can test it out and see if it works for you. On the VideoGen homepage, click on Script to Video. Here you can ask VideoGen to create a script based on any topic you choose. If you already have a script, you can simply paste it here. For this example, I'll ask VideoGen to create a script about how to build a website. And this is the script that VideoGen generated. You can edit it if you want to make any changes. Here, you can choose the video format, either landscape or portrait, depending on whether you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. You can also choose an art style such as watercolor, realistic, and more. Then choose the voice you want to use here. If you want, you can also add an avatar to your video. Once everything looks good, click Generate Video. Okay, the video is finished. Let's take a look.
Building your first website might feel overwhelming, but the process is actually pretty straightforward once you break it down into steps. Start by getting clear on what your site is for. Are you building a portfolio, an online store, a blog? Knowing your purpose helps you make every other decision more easily, including what kind of people you're trying to reach. Next, pick a platform. Tools like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace let you build a good-looking site without writing a single line of code. WordPress gives you the most flexibility, while Wix and Squarespace are great if you want something up and running fast.
If you're not happy with the result or want to make some changes, you can click Edit here. VideoGen also has many other features that you can explore and try out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. And if you want to try VideoGen yourself, I've put the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.